Series Z17 pilot valve, aluminium die-cast body, suitable for manifold mounting. The valve can be mounted together in a manifold situation like this. Each unit clips together, so the one clips onto the next, has an O-ring in between the two faces, and a small screw goes through here on the front to hold them in place. You can bank them up to say 10 or 12 valves in a bank. They have mounting underneath here, little mounting points. Also have manual override. This assembly here is adjustable. Take that around like that. 90-degree manual override on the outside here. The manifold situation, when they're manifolded, they have a common gallery off the inlet port, which runs all the way through the manifold, one side to the other. So you can either use one side of the manifold to feed through and plug the other end off, or take it to somewhere else. The cylinder ports are on the outside here. The valve has an exhausting stem, so it's a three-way, normally closed valve, energized to open. The coil is IP65 with an IP65 LED connector plug which lights up when the power goes on. Inside here we have the keeper plate which holds the operator stem assembly in place. I'll just take those two screws off. There is the jet down here where the valve armature sits on, and a little manual override assembly which lifts the armature off its seat. Normally the air supply, media supply is coming up underneath the armature. The armature is sitting on top of that seat, holding the supply closed like that. When the coil is energized, the armature lifts off the seat, which allows the media or air to come up through the jet and out through the cylinder port here. It goes down through a gallery just on the side and out through the cylinder port. When the valve is de-energized, the armature closes down on the seat, and the cylinder port is then connected up through around the stem, and it exhausts through the top of the armature operator tube. There's a jet up the top of the operator tube, and on the opposite end of the armature, both ends have seats. This top end has a little small rubber seat, and which goes up when it's energized and closes off on that top jet, closing off the exhaust, allowing the media to flow through to the pilot port. De-energized, the seat is closed off by the armature, and the downstream air through the cylinder port is exhausted back out. So it's a three-way, normally closed valve used for pilot operation of cylinders or actuators or other pilot assemblies.